All right. Um, as a Nigerian, let me say this. Do you realize that with all these things flying around about what is the name of this Yoruba man who calls himself a pastor, who came out to say some certain insulting and disrespectful things about primate, how you're dealing, whatever stupid name is. Do you realize that if you go and make some researches, you will hardly find an Igbo renowned personality or an Igbo pastor or someone of, dignitary, an Igbo dignitary, disrespecting the whole of Yoruba land tribe. I've tried to make some research, and to be honest, I'm yet to see. When you go on social media, yeah, definitely you'll find people, normal people talking, influencers saying different things. But a dignitary, like maybe a pastor, who is expected to be the engine room for love, progress, prosperity, the picture of what Jesus Christ stands for. And then a political leader who is supposed to be a leader by example, taking a position of leadership, standing, living for example in terms of learn from me. You cannot, I have not yet found an Igbo man come out and insult the whole of Yoruba land or Yorubas, or say some certain disgusting thing or derogatory words about the Yorubas. But somehow, I can count, there are so many occasions of some Yoruba names that are popularly known in terms of people who listen to them, in terms of pastors, the likes of Tunde Bakari. In 2022, we came out to insult the Igbos, talking about the Igbos are cursed, that's why they will not attend leadership. This is coming out from a tribe that their name alone is historically said to be a curse alone. A tribe that their name alone is historically explained by the likes of, I've forgotten his name right now, a Yoruba leader himself, one of the Yoruba politicians, who came out to say that that name is a cursed name.